Okay, this is sheet 4, drawing curves. As always, grab that text tool and go ahead and put your name up in the top right hand corner. I've already done that. So in sheet 3, you were drawing straight lines. You would click a point, you would click another point, and you were giving the computer instructions to draw a line between those 2 points. Now curves are going to be a little bit different. In the top section here, I already have the curves drawn, and you need to edit them. When you click on the line, you can see what this curve was made with. These points here are called anchors, and then coming off these anchors here are called handles. Handles are going to change the shape of the curve itself, where the anchor is going to change the location. So, for example, in number 1 here, I want to change what this black curve looks like in order to lay it right on top of this gray curve. I'm going to grab this handle, I'm going to drag it until it looks about like that gray curve. I'm going to let go. As soon as it looks like the black curve is on top of the gray curve, I'm done. Over here in number 4, the curves already look the same, it's just in the wrong location, so instead of dragging the handle, I'm going to drag the anchor. And then I'd have to fix this one up here. But play around with that a little bit, it'll take you a little while to kind of get the hang of it. Down at the bottom, part 2 is now drawing the curves. You're going to draw on top of the lines given using the pen tool. When you click on this pen tool, notice there are several options. Just always make sure you're on just this plain pen tool at the top, no plus sign or minus sign next to it. With the pen tool now, instead of clicking and letting go on a line, I'm going to click and actually just drag. So starting at this blue one here, I'm going to drag. I'm going to let go when I get down to that red dot. Now I'm going to come around the corner and do the same thing here. Notice how as soon as I click on this, it connects those 2 points. Dragging the handle changes the shape of the curve. I'm going to come around and make my last one here, and then drag that handle to change the shape of the curve. Again, it may take a little bit of getting used to. If your curve's already made, just like in the top, switch to that arrow tool to edit it. You can pull it around until it looks nice, and same as that gray one. If you get over here and all of a sudden your lines are looking like they're disappearing, you might want to double check that your fill is still on no fill. If it changes to white, you might start filling in over your lines.